Welcome to the latest update program. The topic of discussion is Tulsi Ghat Restoration Project. Recently, External Affairs Minister launched the Tulsi Ghat Restoration Project of Varanasi. The minister launched this project during his visit to Uganda's Kampala. It is an initiative of overseas friends of BJP Uganda to contribute to beautifying the oldest living city in the world. The minister will also visit Mozambique and co-chair the 5th session of the Joint Commission meeting with Mozambican Foreign Minister. Now, information about Tulsi Ghat. It is another important ghat of Varanasi. It is named after the great Hindu poet of the 16th century, Tulsi Das. Earlier, Tulsi Ghat was known as Lolark Ghat. It was made Pakka in the year 1941. It is associated with a number of important activities such as the sacred bath to get rid of leprosy. It is also a center of cultural activities.